Hi everyone, so I'm so excited to bring today's video and I'll be sharing how to make your bed look luxurious and smell amazing. Kind of how to make your bed like a pro. And you guys, I absolutely love fixing my bed. I just feel so good whenever I lay my bed and kind of make it look really luxurious. So I decided to share that in today's video. Okay, so we're gonna start by freshening up the bed, and I love using this baking soda. This is the Pet Fresh Carpet Odor Eliminator. This is actually meant for your pets, guys, but I love to use this, I would say, once in a month to freshen up the bed. Like, guys, I love it when my bed smells so good, so fresh, so amazing. So this right here smells really good, guys. So I love to just sprinkle it on my bed and let it sit for maybe few hours. Sometimes I like to leave it for maybe 2-3 hours, and then I go in with my vacuum to, of course, take out all the products from the bed, because as you guys can see, it's all powdered products. So I just love to go in with my vacuum and vacuum those white powder off of the bed, because it has done what it's meant to do. Okay, so the first rule for me whenever I'm making my bed is to make sure it's well padded. So I love to go in with this mattress and protector, and also it's not just for it being padded but also to protect the bed, because you guys, sometimes I love to eat on my bed, and you know, anything like spill, sometimes I'm on the bed and the kids maybe join me on the bed, and you know, sometimes they eat, or maybe they might be drinking or even just feeding the baby, you know. So I always love to go ahead and put on a mattress protector. So that's exactly what I did here. I actually really love this one because it's very thick, it's very padded. So not only is it protecting the mattress, it also adds some type of fluffiness to the mattress. Okay, so using white sheets when you want to make your bed look really luxurious is kind of a rule of thumb, because white sheets, you can pair your white sheets with any color bedding or maybe pillow or maybe comforter you need. So using a white bedding, it's always very advisable, and I really do love my white bedding. I like to first of all go in with the fitted sheet and just make sure I tuck everything in. I actually like to use this there's this thing people use where you make sure the label part of the fitted sheet is by your right, you know, that way it will fit your bed really well. And our bed is actually a king size bed, so I love to use maybe a Californian king, because sometimes I just like to have an extra sheet off of the sheets I use on my bed. So California king is just a little bit bigger than normal king size, so that is normally what I go for whenever I'm looking for bed sheets for my bed. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on the fitted sheets, make sure it's well tucked in, and you know, we'll move on to the next step. So your fitted sheets actually don't need to be that perfect, guys, because we're going to go in with the loose sheet. I've forgotten what they call this one right here, but it's what is it? I guess the loose sheet, I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. So I'm gonna go in right now and use this to cover up the fitted sheet. This actually just adds a little bit of glam, you know, to your bed. And I love to go by the edge. As you all can see, I just kind of flip it and then go ahead and tuck it in. This will ensure that, you know, you guys know when you put on your loose sheets, right, it always kind of have that very loose fit into your bed. But when you go ahead and tuck it by the both sides, as you guys can see me doing here, it just makes it look really good. And also it helps to eliminate all the creases and all the extra sheets, you know, off of your bed. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with my comforter. I'm just gonna lay my comforter down. I always like to kind of make the comforter cover all the bed, and then I go ahead, just like you guys see me doing here. I like to flip it down and then flip it over again, and this will kind of help give the comforter a little bit of dimension, and also kind of gives it that kind of step feel. Sometimes when you go to the hotel, right, you notice that they love doing this exact thing to their bed. You know, they feel once they are done making up their bed, they kind of make it look just like this. This is also kind of a hotel hack, guys, because this is how I see, you know, people do it in hotels, where, you know, the hotel fixers, this is exactly how they love to fix their bed. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in right now and put on my pillows. I love to go in with 2 pillows because, like I told you guys, this bed is a king size bed, so I love to go in with king size pillows. I know I recently just found out that they have king sizes also on your pillows. So if you have a king size bed, you have to have a king size pillow, not pillowcase. Pillowcase, of course, and pillow cover, whatever it is. But yeah, I'm gonna go in and stack up my pillows, and now I'm gonna come in with my decorative pillows, guys. I absolutely love the shade of this blue, guys, and I bought these pillows from, I think, Home Goods or Home Sense. No, I think Home Goods. These are the 24 by 24, either 24 by 24 or 26 by 26. I'm not sure of the size, but I love to kind of give my pillows, you know, a descending order. So I love to use maybe a 26, right? And then I go down to a 20. As you all can see, I have a 20-inch pillow right there. I love to put it in between the 26 I just used, and then so we have 26, 20, yeah, 26, 20, and then I love, depending on how I want to style my bed, right, I then go in with maybe a 18 by 20 or a 14 by 20. This one right here, I think, is a 14 by 20. That's like the small square, the small rectangular pillow, just like that. Much still abides, and I know she'd rather keep a distance, but okay, so if you want to take it up a notch, you can definitely go in with a decorative throw, and this one right here is from Everlasting Comfort. I absolutely love this blanket, guys. It's so luxurious, it feels so luxurious, and yep, it actually goes in so well with my decoration, you know, like with my decorative pillows. So I decided to add it right by the foot of the bed. You can easily just throw on your throw. That is why it's called a throw. You don't need to be perfect, just throw it and call it a day. We actually have different ways of styling a throw pillow that I shared on my Instagram, but then I'm gonna go in, just to make sure everything smells really good, I'm gonna go in with some of my bed spray. This one is from Yankee Candles, and just spray it like this right here. If you're expecting maybe your husband or your boyfriend, guys, and you make up your bed like this, like I'm not even gonna tell you guys what follows next, but yeah, in order to tie the whole decoration up, I decided to add a flower vase right there, and then also by the other side of the nightstand, I decided to add some I think some fragrance right there. And also, to finish up the whole look, I also decided to add this bed tray right here. And inside the bed tray, it all depends on you, it all depends on how you want to style it, but I decided to add some decorative boxes, I think a candle, and an accent piece, and that is all there is to this video, my loves. I absolutely love this blanket, and I'm gonna leave a link to this blanket in my description box because it's so cheap, it's so affordable, but also very, very high quality. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy, and till my next video. I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away from me. But did the ocean